Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is Muhammad Ibrahim, the math teacher. These recordings are for Al-Majd International Schools. This video is for grade 6, unit 9, and this is the mid-chapter check. What do we learn in this lesson? We will revise polygons. We will find some area of parallelograms. We will find some triangles area. Mid-chapter check, page 696. Define polygon, and he wants some examples of polygons and another example for any figure that is not polygon. A polygon is a closed figure formed with 3 or more straight lines. It must be formed with 3 or more straight lines, and it must be a closed shape. For example, triangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, square, rectangle. All these are polygons. We want another shape or figure that is not polygon. Yes, a circle. A circle is not polygon because there is no sides at the circle. It's only a curve. Number 2. Fill in the blank in the sentence below with correct terms. Congruent figures have the space, size, and the space shape. Very good. Have the same shape and the same size. The same size and the same shape. At the same page, 696, number 3. Find the area of each figure. How do we find the area of this shape? First of all, this is a parallelogram. Any parallelogram's area equal base length times the height. And you must be sure that the height must be perpendicular over the base you choose. This is the height and it's perpendicular over this base. Okay, the base length is 10. The height here is 5. 10 times 5. Yes, equal 50 centimeters square. If you ask me why did I take this 10 centimeters, this side, actually this is the real base because the height is perpendicular over this base. But this base equal also 10 centimeters. How is this? Because each sides at any polygon, each opposite sides at any polygons are equal and parallel. This side equals the opposite one at the length and also parallel with it. The other side equal the fourth side at the length and parallel with it. 10 times 5 is 50 centimeters square. Any area must be square unit. Don't forget that. Here another parallelogram. Base length times the height. Base length is 6. The height is 8. 6 times 8 is 48 feet square. Or square feet. Okay, square feet. Because feet is plural. Foot is a single. Okay. This is a triangle. We want to find the area of this triangle. How do we find the area of this triangle? Half times base length times the height. Half times any number, it means to take its half. Half times 20, it's 10, because the half of 20 is 10. Half times any number, just take its half. So half times this base, half times 12 equals 6. 6 times the height, 6 times 11, 66 square meters. Very good. Number 6. Find the missing dimension of each figure. a parallelogram with height equal 5 and 4 feet and its area equal 12 feet square. It's very easy. If we have the area and you want to find we want to find the height or the base length, just divide 12 over 5 and 1 over 4. How do we make this? 5 and 1 over 4, we must convert it into normal fraction. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 over 4. 21 over 4, if you want to divide 12 over any fraction, any numbers, when we divide them together, we must do this. 12, write the first fraction, don't change it. Then convert the division sign into multiplication sign, so it's equal 12 times. Flip this fraction. Actually, it was 21 over 4. We will flip it. It will be 4 over 21. So we have 12 times 4 over 21. So we have, yes, 48 over 21. If you simplify 28 over 21, both of them is divisible over 3. It will give you, very good, it will give you 16 over 7. 16 over 7, we can write it in the simplest form as if it was a mixed number, but if you left it like that, it's good. You will take the full mark. 16 over 7, how many 7s as 16? Yes, it's 2, because 2 times 7 equal 14, and the remainder is 2 over 7. So this is the answer, 2 and 2 over 7 feet. Don't write feet square, it's not area. Number 7, a trapezoid. The first base equals 3 meters, the second base 4 meters, and the area is 7 meters square. Find the height. What is the area of trapezoid? Very good. Sum of bases over 2 times the height. Sum of bases over 2 times the height. First base is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So this is 7, the sum of bases. 7 over 2 equals 3.5. 3.5 times what gives you 7? If you divide 7 over 3.5, it will give you 2. So the height is 2 meters. Number 8 at page 696. A corner table is in the shape of trapezoid. Find the area of the tabletop. How do we find the area of the tabletop? This is the first base 30. This is the second base 45. This is the height 28 inch. Okay, so we must find the sum of these bases 30 and 45. Divide it over 2 and then multiply at the height. 30 plus 45 equals 75. 75 over 2 times 28. Simplify 2 with 28, it will give you 14. So 35 times 14, very good, it's equal 1050 inches square. The area of a triangle is, this is number 9. The area of a triangle is 56 square centimeters. We have the area here. Give all possible sets of whole numbers dimensions for the base and the height of the triangle. Actually, number 9 is for the smart student. If you have here 56, the area of any triangle, you know we find the area of any triangle how? Yes, half base length times the height. Ask yourself about what are the numbers multiplied